Hey guys, there's a really simple major scale pattern that's often overlooked. This pattern was introduced in episode 21, and it's related to the Mixolydian pattern, and it's a really great way of finding the notes of a major scale really fast. The scale uses a 4-note pattern in 2 positions with a shift for the B string. The Mixolydian connection can be seen by playing through the notes in ascending order and adding the octave note in at the end. Using this scale in the cowboy note area is a really quick way of finding those notes of a key that have accidentals. I hope you found this useful. Hit the like button to let me know. Take care.